Hi, this is a brief video showing how to carry out an independent t-sample test in SPSS. So you've got your data set here and click on Analyze, come down and go to Compare Means, come down to Independent Samples t-test and click on it. And you see here we've got our various variables being described. So we want to put in salary first in the test variable because it will only take numeric values. You can't put in the string or word version. Then we want to go by gender for our grouping variable. Now he's going to say we've got to define the groups. Now we've got ours defined as male and femme for female. So if we type in male first of all, I go down to the second box and put in femme for female. And that's OK. Now we need to check on options. Now the default setting is 95% as the confidence interval. In other words, you are setting a significance level of 5% or 0.05. So we're happy with that, so we go continue. We click on OK and we get our set of tables. And you can see the descriptive statistics here, and down here we have the T tables. Now the first thing to bear in mind is that you have an assumption with t-tests that the variances are approximately equal, and that's carried out with Levene's test for equality, which we've got here. Now we can see that we have a significance level here of 0.243. Now the significance level we set for the test is 0.05. Now as this is significantly smaller, we have a significant difference. Now what that means in practical terms is this: if we're looking at a significant difference, you read the numbers for the t-test on the bottom line. If this had shown that there was no significant difference, you would use the t-values on the top line. Okay, but as we've got a significant difference, then we are going to be dealing with the bottom line values. And you can see here you've got your t-scores, degrees of freedom, and the significant values here for a two-tailed test. Now, as this is 0.980, again we're comparing it to our alpha of 0.05, and we can see that it's considerably bigger or greater. So actually in this case we have no significance, and we would accept the null hypothesis. If it had been the other way round, we would have rejected the null hypothesis and adopted the alternative hypothesis.